Today we have a room tour of the Hotell Bondeheimen Oslo, Norway. This hotel was a short train ride from the airport and about an 8-minute walk from the train station. It's located in central Oslo, just a few blocks from the Charles Johans Gate. Here we have a double room, so right when you walk in, we have the bathroom. It is small, but it gets the job done. It has some nice shelving up here, a nice little shower. It has heated floors because I took my shoes off and the floors are about 100 degrees, which is cool, but it's kind of warm in here to begin with. And it says it's 21, but that's Celsius. I don't know what that means. So when you walk in, we have a full-length mirror here with like a little vanity area, I guess, and it doesn't give you a lot of room for to hang clothes or even to fold clothes. Luckily, we're here for one night, but it does come with a fan. Love that. So this is a double room. So it's 2 beds, 2 twin beds. I guess it's a king. I'm here with my friend. We'll just split them apart. We have some nice artwork on the wall here. We have a plug and a little table and a little reading light. That's not on. I like the little thing above the bed. Hopefully that turns off at night. And we have another plug on the other side, which is nice. A nice chair and table. We have a little kettle here. And if you've watched my videos before, you know I love me a kettle. And then coffee setup, a couple of drawers. Oh, that's an ironing board. Safe, water cooler. Nice little writing table. We have a TV here, remote lamp, and that's it. The room gets the job done. I wonder if it doesn't have air conditioning because it has this heater. I bet you it doesn't have AC. It's a little toasty in here, but this is the view outside of our window. How cute is this? This beautiful little street here in Oslo. Our room had breakfast included, and here's a nice selection of breakfasts for the buffet. And meats and cheeses.